and welcome back to Love All Beauty. My name is Amanda. Thank you so much for joining me today. I thought for today's video we are going to try out a couple of different Eylure lash products. Before we jump into that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that. You can hit the notification bell, that way you're notified every time that I upload a video, which is every Thursday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. You can catch me on social media, Instagram and Twitter. When you're watching this, if you're really liking what you're seeing, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That would be great. Let's jump right into this video. I already have my makeup on. Obviously, I actually filmed a video on this look, so I'm not sure if it'll go up before or after this, but keep your eyes peeled for that. I thought it would be fun to try out a couple of these different Eylure lash kits that have been floating around the internet. One in particular is using a magnetic lash eyeliner. Rather than using a glue, you would just apply this eyeliner like you normally would an eyeliner, and then you just apply the lash on top of that, and it's supposed to be magnetic and just stick and be lovely. I've heard pretty good reviews. We'll see. Then the other kit is called the Faux Pro Luxe Lash Extension Kit. It looks like this. So you're basically taking a couple of different steps here. It comes with like an adhesive bond that you're going to apply to, normally when you apply lashes, you apply it to the top of your lashes, but this system actually applies below your lashes. So you apply the adhesive bond at the base of your lashes on the underside, it says. Then you place the lash flares on the underside of your natural lashes and build up the desired look. So you can add as many of these flares as you're wanting to. And then use the little applicator to kind of push those two together. Then it also comes with a sealant that you use. It kind of looks like it has a spoolie tip, kind of like a mascara that you blend with your lashes. You can use these supposedly up to 8 times. They last 18 hours at a time, which is nice. I have had lash extensions before. While they do look good and you don't have to worry about, you know, applying false lashes or mascara or anything like that, I just found that it costs a lot to upkeep. You have to go in quite frequently to get the fills and all of that done. And it honestly ruined my natural lashes. After I removed them, my natural lashes were just weak and brittle. They were very thin. I had lost a lot of the lashes. I almost feel like it's a process where you start getting the lash extensions, and then you just have to keep doing it because your lashes are going to be all gone. So I was not a big fan of that. So it's probably been, oh gosh, it's been well over 2 years since I had those last. So I was curious about these. For my everyday life, I usually don't wear false lashes unless I'm getting really glammed up for something. I do enjoy wearing a false lash for air travel, which sounds kind of funny, but I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup when I'm flying just because I feel like, I don't know, the air is so drying and everything, so it's nice to not have to wear mascara or anything like that, especially if you're going on long flights. So I've been to like Europe and Indonesia. These flights are crazy long. So I'll just apply like a little bit of an accent lash, and I feel like when I look in the mirror, like I don't look so crazy tired because I have nothing on my eyes. I have very light eyelashes. You can hardly see them. So just applying a little bit of a false lash, I feel like just really helps awaken my face, shall we say. So I'm just gonna do one eye on each of these systems here. I do already have an eyeliner on, but I have heard with these eyeliners that you do need to build up the formula a little bit just to make sure you get a good hold. Sorry, they put a little sticker on here and I need my little scissors. I need my skizzers. Does anyone else call scissors skizzers? Just saying. So like I said, both of these are from Eylure London, and these lashes come in a bunch of different styles. So what may work for one person, you know, maybe overwhelming for another. These are their Faux Mink accent lashes. I don't feel like I have a lot of space from my lashes to my brow. So if I have a really long, intense lash, I feel like it just really overwhelms my face and doesn't look very good. It just looks like I'm wearing crazy huge lashes. So I like a lash to be more on this outer edge, and I feel like it helps to give you that like lifted cat eye look and isn't too overwhelming. So let's pull out this eyeliner. Comes in a little tubey tube like this, and it's probably, yep, it's a little paint on situation here. So in this case, I'm just gonna follow the eyeliner that I already have down. And let's go ahead and I guess apply it to my right eye, or left for you guys. I don't think I have to go out the full length of my wing, but if you're using this as your eyeliner and not using another one, then I mean, yeah, just do your eyeliner how you normally would. It's definitely hard with this type of brush to get a precise line. I'm just kind of building up this formula just because I want to make sure I get good adherence. Just get really close to that lash line. Nice dark black formula, which is good. I'm not sure if it wants you to let it dry down. I guess I could read instructions. That's probably helpful, isn't it? It says, for a lighter look, apply the liner a little thicker than a lash band. For a more cat eye look, draw a medium line with an added flick. For a more glam finish, try a full line with an exaggerated flick. So shake the lash eyeliner before use. Apply 3 layers of the lash eyeliner to the lash line, waiting for each layer to dry in between applications. So I don't really do that, but it's in the process of drying right now. And in fact, I think I'm going to employ my handy dandy fan. We have dried that down mostly. It doesn't seem to be drying down very matte, which is kind of interesting. Another layer there. I feel like I've done 3. All right, I feel like that's pretty good. So then we're going to go ahead and remove the eyelash that we're going to be using. And it actually, I don't know if you guys can see this. There's like 3 little magnets on there, so that's what's going to be sticking to that eyeliner. And I like to kind of bend my eyelashes a little bit, just because I feel like the natural shape of your eye is going to be a little bit domed, not just straight. And then I'm just going to set this down on the eye. Well, that's interesting. I feel like I can feel I can definitely feel the little magnets. I'm just using my tweezers here to help position and press my lashes to it. Gonna give that a little tug. Oh, yeah, it's not moving. Wow, that's cool. And these are really pretty lashes, pretty much exactly what I would wear. The band doesn't feel too thick or anything. I mean, I can tell that there's something there, but they don't feel too heavy on the eye. I mean, you can see obviously a huge difference from the two eyes. Like this to me looks glam but natural. Awesome. Definitely would recommend this system. Pretty cool. I am not sure exactly how easy the removal is going to be, like if it's going to be worse than other fake eyelashes, which usually what I do is just take an eye makeup remover on a reusable cotton pad and just set it on my eye for 30 seconds or so, and I feel like that softens things up enough. For this in particular, it says removal tips. Starting from the outer corner of your eye, lightly pull the lash away from the magnetic lash eyeliner. And then it says remove the magnetic lash eyeliner with an oil-based cleanser or a makeup removal wipe. For reuse tips, gently clean liner residue from magnets with a cotton bud and an eye makeup remover, and then just says store in the packaging. Safe for daily wear, easy and gentle removal. 15 wears total, which is awesome. And I think these were around 10 to 12 bucks. I actually picked this one up at Walmart. All right, let's move on to the next fun thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and just pin back that side. It comes with these little tweezers that you can help kind of marry the lashes together. I don't know if I'm gonna go the whole length of my lashes. I think I might apply them similar to this, like maybe just kind of focus it about halfway, 3/4. Lightly dab the adhesive bond on the base of your lashes on the underside. So they have this bond, it comes in like a dual-sided thing. So it looks like it's just this really tiny, it almost looks like a mascara applicator, but it doesn't have any bristles on it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the underneath. Then you just apply these on the underside. It's kind of an interesting process to apply it all underneath your lashes, just because normally, we apply everything over. I don't know. Yeah, that just seems really gummy. And maybe I shouldn't wear mascara already. Maybe that's not the recommended thing to do. Yeah, it's not really sticking all that well just because I just feel like it's quite gummy. I'm actually not going to apply the sealant just because I don't really like how that's looking. To me, it just doesn't look very clean. So I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna need to try this again without mascara. Hello, future Amanda here. I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and let you guys know that I retried the lash extension kit without any mascara on my eye, and I obviously have this one done but not this one, just so you guys can see the comparison. And I have to say I really enjoyed this kit. It's very easy to use. Of course, I haven't worn them for very long yet. It says it's supposed to last up to 18 hours, so we'll see. I'll try to put a note down in the video and let you guys know how it went. I would imagine the removal for these, you do have to probably use some sort of eye makeup remover and kind of soak it a little while, much like you would, like a normal lash adhesive. I found that I did have to soak the magnetic eyeliner a little bit longer to remove that as well. But overall, both kits are, I would say, you know, the reviews are very positive. So if it's something that you guys have been interested in trying, I would definitely say, you know, give it a try. The lash extension kit I think is really nice if you're wanting a more natural look, because I don't have to wear any eyeliner or anything like that. I can just have the lashes on there, put a little shadow, and go. Whereas the magnetic, you do have to apply so many coats of that eyeliner, so it is going to give you a more dramatic look. So depending on what it is that you're wanting to do, you can pick, you know, the corresponding kit for that. Definitely a thumbs up on both of these. Final thoughts here. If you are wanting a natural, like, lash extension look that isn't a false lash, but it looks like your lash, this is probably the way to go as far as not having on any mascara. And then you add this in. Honestly, that would be more or less what I would be looking for when I'm traveling or something, just because I, again, wouldn't have to wear any mascara, and you can just put these on, and it's gonna look, yeah, more natural, but adding a little bit of color and volume. As far as ease and overall kind of glam look, the magnetic liner would definitely be the way to go for sure. Super easy to do, inexpensive, and you get multiple uses out of it. So I definitely see the appeal and ease of doing this magnetic liner for sure. If you're new to wearing false lashes, hands down, do the magnetic liner. I feel like it is going to make a world of difference in learning how to apply lashes. I would definitely recommend giving it a try. You can get them on sale quite frequently at most drugstores. I know they sell them Target, Ulta, Walmart, Fred Meyer, whatever drugstore you have, they sell them there. And they also have other brands that have similar type of products, so you can give that a try. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this and have found it easier to use than just regular false lashes. And yeah, I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.